The first thing you need to do is get 3 2x4s and cut them to be about 6 inches long. Then you're going to screw them to your ceiling, making sure you're finding studs. Then you're going to get 3 PVC pipes that are about 10 inches long and attach a T-fitting to the end. Here you will see I pre-drilled holes and put in 1-inch long drywall screws to make sure they don't fall apart. Then you will need to attach a cross fitting to the other end of those pipes. Here I'm showing you that you will need to attach another 10-inch PVC pipe at the bottom of the cross, followed by another T fitting at the bottom of that. Then I went about 10 inches off of each side so it looks like this. Then after that I put little elbows on each end to make sure the fishing poles don't slide off. Be sure to pre-drill and screw each connection so it doesn't fall apart. The overall height from top to bottom is about 24 inches. The overall width is about 30 inches, so I guess I made the sides a little bit larger than 10 inches across. Next thing I did was attach them to the blocks I put on the ceiling using those clamps. They come in packs of 4 at your local Home Depot, and then I used 2.5-inch screws to screw them through the block in the ceiling. And that's it. Then you hang your fishing poles up there and they're out of your way. I hope you liked my video. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.